This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by John Maples. Amazing Dr. Horton house with a harbor floor plan. 2 stories with 5 large bedrooms, 4 upstairs and 1 on themain. 3 full bathrooms with 2 having walk-in showers. This house is in perfect shape and comes with a smart home package with air conditioner, lights, garage door and more, all ran through an app. Tankless water heater, granite countertops, more closets than you can imagine with tons of storage. Don't miss this opportunity. Schedule today. For more information, review the details below or contact John Maples at 865-584-4000.